a lot of interest on this one, so I'll cap a maximum of 3 minutes to each member so that we get as many to speak on this motion. Minority Whip.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, first of all, let me indicate that we are in the 16 days of activism on gender-based violence, whose theme is to orange the world. And Madam Speaker, I just want to indicate that we are very happy that when we are discussing this, both the speakers have been women, and I wanted to compliment you that both of you have been exceptionally smart today. Madam Speaker, because my time is short, I just want to say that I agree with the minority leader that the gender commission, majority leader, it means I've already taken over your job, but I want to say that, Madam Speaker, NGEC is not doing its work efficiently. Both him and I have at some point or the other served in the budget committee. It is because they are severely underfunded. So we cannot severely underfund them and expect them to do good work. Please fund them and they will do excellent work. Madam Speaker, because again of a short time, I'm hoping they will prioritize the issue of femicide. Too many of our girls are being killed and we need to look at it. Madam Speaker, I hope they will prioritize the issue of discrimination. I am told in Kiambu County, 25 women have been stopped from voting because they are nominated. It's unconstitutional, it is discriminatory, and it is unfortunate what one of the MCAs talked about, that the women, nominated women, which then includes me because I was also nominated, that the only thing we bring is between our legs. We bring that one as well, of course, but we also bring our heads. Because you cannot pretend we don't have things. Even you have things beneath your legs. Madam Speaker, I'd also want to indicate, no, you will not intimidate us with such issues. Madam Speaker, I'd also want to say,
Order, members.
Madam Speaker, they are trying to decide.
Honorable Mili, it is a point of order from the majority leader. I will allow.
No, Honorable Speaker, I rise on a point of order because of the issue. You know, I'm from Kiambu County, and I am a very good supporter of women leaders. And I would not condone the kind of talk that I also heard from that particular MCA, who represents a ward in Kiambu constituency, Kiambu town constituency. However, there is we must also be careful not to admonish people based on social media propaganda, because we are all subjected to the same social media propaganda. The things that you see being said about those things about in between the legs, I have actually confirmed with nominated members of the County Assembly of Kiambu that that particular MCA never uttered those words. He may have, and he actually did speak to what Honorable Mili is alluding to, that nominated members of parliament and senators and MCAs vote on county matters, on just like senators don't vote on county bills, that nominated MCAs should not vote on ward-related bills and motions in the assembly, which is unconstitutional. But it is just the ignorance of an MCA, and I would ask the Honorable Mashua to take him through some tutelage. But just to correct the information that the derogatory things that are being reported on social media, I am told is propaganda, and I have confirmed that from women MCAs in Kiambu, because I had taken particular interest in protecting women in the Kiambu County Assembly. Because we nominated women, most of them are nominated by UDA. And
that sounded more like a point of information, and I don't want us to make contributions through point of order. So I will give you Honorable Kaluma if it is a point of order. But if it's information, you wait for your chance to contribute.
Yes, because I want to contribute. Malady, not Malady.